See, everybody's ordering fried rice.
And as they looked into each other's eyes, they heard a beautiful song.
Young, that Aesop oil, right, is so strong, man.
You don't like it?
I don't know, man. The more I smell it, I feel like, oh, I don't know whether I can do this, man.
What?
You like it, ah? Is it the one I bought you? Today we're gonna try, not try lah, Jen's gonna try lah, I already had it lah. My favorite fried rice. Last time, oh man, the oil is really strong smell, man. Yeah.
You like it?
No, I don't like it.
You don't love me. You should.
I love you, but I don't love the oil. It used to be called Kwai San fried rice over there. Wait, see over there? Although the Jen and that post fucking van is blocking the goddamn way. Hold on. It used to be opposite lah. That place called 96, but now it's at Fofo. I used to eat this fried rice. Yeah, you know Fofo? If you studied in SS15, you would know what Fofo is. Also, this Indian food is fucking legit. Just want to point that out. It deserves a lot of credit. See the Indian food. Whoa. See, everybody's ordering fried rice. Oh, there we go. Uncle Soon's fried rice. But it used to be called Kwai San fried rice. They ordered the char siu, right? You two lah. Small one lah. Two. Oh, I can ask lah. Are you using this chair? Can I have this chair? Can you use that? Thanks. Welcome to my childhood, man. Yeah, on this one. Chicha. Bro, yeah, this one is fucking legit, man. Last time, right, the father, one guy only cook fried rice only. Yeah, one guy only, you know. Then I like, how the fuck? He damn fucking dirty, so the way he fried rice, right, he's smoking while frying the rice only. Then he wears singlet, then armpit hair all sticking out. Then he just like, one arm only. Then I like, damn, this is pretty fucking gross, man. Then my friend Loy Sheng, who was my senior, was like, John, this is the best fucking fried rice you'll ever eat. Then after I ate that fried rice, I ate that same fried rice, right, for like 2 weeks in a row. Every lunch, you know. Some more, the key component is their chili. John, why lah? You go and eat this fried rice every day? You're not scared or not? Then I'm like, fuck it, man. Life's too short, man. Wow. Are you excited? Thank you. The chili is key. Look, the chili is so brown, man.
How should I eat it?
I think you eat it however you want to eat it lah. It's fucking good nevertheless lah. I just want to see whether you like it or not lah.
Okay.
Got the wok hei, right? Okay, now you eat with the chili. The chili is so fucking good lah. You can see why I like this shit, right? They
The one all like
individual one. It's not clumped together one. This fried rice is the bomb lah, fuck. Wow. I don't know where Loy Sheng is now. I don't even have his Facebook. Last time there's no Facebook and shit. But Loy Sheng, if you're watching this, bro, you're the real MVP for introducing this to me now. Do you like the chili? It's got like minced chili padi inside.
like the ban chili.
Yeah, like the pan chili. What's the rating? 9. 9. It's pretty good, right? Fucking good. We'll come back. Actually, if it's a fucking hot day, right, then you have fried rice. I don't know why that man. You sweat like shit, then you walk. Whew. We back. Kind of.
Dining or to go?
Dining. See, just chill for. Hey, this is our table. You can sit inside. There's a space. Wow. You know, I never had iced lattes since I started dating you. Yeah. I actually don't like iced lattes, you know, last time. Oh, I drink hot lattes. Wow. Or hot flat whites. Only when I started dating you, I'm like, why she always get iced latte? Remember last time beginning, I always order hot only, remember? Yeah, I always order hot flat white one. And I always wondered, like, why the fuck you get iced latte? Then I got it, I'm like, why the fuck did I get hot latte?
You need a comfortable chair.
Not the tomato, yeah. She sniffs the ground, waiting for her next prey. Huh? You took photo already? Okay. Tonkatsu by Mama Son. Yo, Drew. Shit, I took your chopsticks. One piece?
Oh, 3 pieces.
3 pieces. Oh. Wow. Shots.